Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have a number 14 4-inch screw bolt, lag bolt things, and you can see here, this is what it looks like here. So it's got the threads up here, and then it's got the other part there, and then up here it's got the flat head there. So if you want something to go in and never come out again, if you're building some outdoor play equipment for a kid or something like that, and you want to use this stuff, this is going to stay for forever. It comes with a T30 hole there. I only have like a T25, so we'll see if we can get it going here at the moment, and I'll show you guys what it does. Oop, if I can get it in there. Here, let me start it off on here. I can't get it started. You probably want to pre-drill a hole to get it going. But there, now finally gripped. And then I'll go here. See, there you go. Oh, I actually broke the one there because I should have pre-drilled it. But you get the idea. It's a super strong screw that'll go in and never come out when you don't want it to. So if you're building like a nice redwood play set for kids or something like that, you can use this, and it's going to go in there and just be super solid. So great bolts. And you saw I was putting some heavy torque on it, and the heads are solid. So super awesome. Thumbs up.